How to redeem Doom the Dark Ages in Nvidia. Now, in order to redeem Doom the Dark Ages in Nvidia, you just simply need to open nvidia.com in either your phone or computer, or you can also do this from the Nvidia app. Now, after opening this, just simply tap to your profile and it will show you this option of Nvidia account. Just simply tap to Nvidia account, and after going into the Nvidia account option, you just simply need to scroll after this page shows up, and after scrolling you will see the option of available tools and resources, and under that you can see the option of redeem. Tap to redeem option and you will see this page where you can enter your code in this box. Just simply do that and then tap to redeem, and it will successfully redeem Doom the Dark Ages for your Nvidia. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.